And details coming in from the ground, which everyone is eyeing at this time. Security has been stepped up across the national capital with deployment of additional forces, putting up multi-layered barricades and barbed wires on the roads ahead of the proposed Chakka Jam by farmer unions. There is heavy deployment of police personnel at the Red Fort, and the area has been blocked as a preemptory counter measure. Nearly 50,000 police personnel who have been deployed in Delhi and NCR. They are all on high alert. And remember, the farmers have promised that this will be a peaceful protest. I want to cut across to Amandeep. He is at the Shambhu Toll Plaza. Amandeep, what's happening there? The farmers have said that this time will be a peaceful protest. Also, in the wake of what happened on the 26th of January, the forces are extremely careful. There is additional deployment of para forces as well. The police has made all the arrangements on the border. What do you see around yourself?
Exactly, in fact, by the 9:12 noon, they have all blocked the roads. You can see the video that now the farmers will come on the road according to the Chakka Jam call, and you can see this is the support they are gathering from this. And the farmers will the barricade along with the tractors in the middle of the road on both sides. On the other side also, I can show you the gathering of the farmers. And in fact, every person is ensuring the peaceful Chakka Jam today. And in fact, this was the announcement they are repeatedly making every moment. Was the announcement they are repeatedly making every moment. And even on the other side, they have started sitting on the road to block this entire national highway, just because this is the Punjab and Haryana border, and we are standing on the side of Punjab. Just apart from these barricades, the Haryana jurisdiction has been started, and you can see that how they have blocked the road with the human chain, and further there are tractors and barricades has been placed so that no vehicle should be allowed for next 3 hours. In fact, what we have listened among these farmers are they are actually apologizing the people who wanted to travel down, and in fact they ask them, request them to stay here for 3 hours just because today is the call of Chakka Jam, and in fact the Chakka Jam would be very peaceful. They have separated one lane for the emergency services. Any person who wanted to, who was going for attending the wedding parties or any urgency, they have separated the lane. There is a proper team deployed inside the farmers. They are checking if any kind of urgency, they are vacating the traffic and allow them to go inside. This is all arrangement they have done, and in fact the farmers themselves are managing the traffic movements on this highway, and even the police deployment is very much here on both the parts, on the side of Haryana as well as on the side of Punjab, to ensure the peaceful protest, to ensure the law and order situation. And even at the given time, 12 noon, they started gathering on the roads. Otherwise, they were sitting in the middle of the road, and in fact, no such blockade happened before. And now, next 3 hours, the situation will sustain like this only, just because this national highway has facing the Chakka Jam from many points. We are standing on Shambhu Toll Plaza, and even beyond this Karnal Toll Plaza and Panipat, Sonipat, everywhere the situation remains similar, and even the local police has been diverted the traffic towards other sides to have a smooth ride for the people who are actually wanted to go to both sides. You can see the visuals on one side, just because here the most important point is that this is the gathering of Punjab as well as Haryana farmers. This is the point where the Punjab farmers have also come together, and even from the other side, the Haryana farmers have also come together here to block this very much point. And now they have collectively taken the responsibility. One side is the responsibility of Haryana, and the other side, the Punjab is taking care of the other side to ensure the smooth ride for the emergency services. They have clearly mentioned to all of their farmers that emergency services, ambulance, military trucks, and even if a person in a private car is facing any kind of urgency, the road, the one side of the road would be vacated, and that person should be allowed to move in towards wherever he or she wanted to go. But otherwise, the traffic, they are all apologized to the commuters. They are saying that for for these 3 hours, support us, and in fact assist us for the blockade of this traffic. This must be a harassment, but they prior apologize before sitting on the roads. The situation is actually very peaceful and they are actually controlled by farmers themselves. Yes.